Game one, and who do I draw?
This guy.
Big Daddy, the king of North Rock.
Yeah.
We didn't do an intro, so we'll do one, but we drew each other game one for this format, which is kind of crappy.
Yeah, out of 48 teams, how do we bowl each other? First game.
I don't know. They want to see magic happen.
Random, right?
I'm coming for you, Kris. I'm coming for you. Oh, my God. Hi, Nicholas.
Hey.
Where are we at, dude?
Wichita, Kansas.
Wichita.
Swiss Trio is one of my favorite tournaments.
He's not feeling great right now. He just bowled game one. Chris didn't bowl great, so he didn't want to do the intro with us.
Yeah, what a weenie. He beat me by 20. He shot 150. I'll let you do the math.
And you lost by one.
I lost by one. Just make your spares, kids. Never know when it's going to come down.
That's all right. Well, we're in Wichita this weekend. We're bowling Swiss Trios. It's kind of a funny format. You bowl a position on every game. You have individual points. It's fun. It's a party.
It's like league. Literally is league.
It is like league, but there's a lot of money to make and a lot of good bowlers. A lot of the Wichita kids bowl it, so a lot of young talent. It is a good time, though. Everyone's always in a great mood no matter how they're bowling. So,
except for Kris.
Except for Kris. But we'll keep you posted on the weekend and see who does more striking. Bye. Current update, the ponies are striking and we're in first right now, bowling the second place team. So it's a position round every single game. So if we stay up top, we're gonna bowl all the best teams. So he's gotta keep striking for me.
Try. No 7 pins.
Stepped in front of it. I don't know what happened.
No, you don't need to watch out.
Wow.
I hate all lefties, except for Kevin.
Thank you.
I went plus today.
Alrighty, day 1 in the books, and me and my lefties are in first place right now. We bowled really well. Kris had a rough first game, but then he dialed it in, and I think they're like top 5, and Nick did the same thing. He didn't start off very well either, and they got to about the top 5. So a whole nother 6 games tomorrow to do the same thing, and we're in great position to try to win this event, so let's get it. Hey guys, while I drive like a responsible driver while filming myself for a vlog, I just wanted to say that I have a new single called Losing Hope that by the time this vlog is out, we'll have released. So it would be amazing if you guys could go download that, give it a listen, tell me if you love it, hate it. You won't hurt my feelings either way, but any support I get, I absolutely love and appreciate more than you guys know. So I had to give a little cheap plug. Losing Hope, just type in my name. Let me know what you think. Bowling stuff, bowling stuff. AJ, our horse is injured.
That is not good. This is really not good.
Michael was the high out of the 3 of us yesterday at 240 over. I was short on the numbers. You were like 210 over and I was 200 over.
Oh, okay.
Michael's 240 over and now his back's hurting because he's an old grandpa.
Yeah. Daddy now.
So we're just gonna have to push through for him and we're gonna be the horsies today.
Gotta be the horsies. Giddy up, Michael. I'm alive. Resurrected.
You told me that we're in trouble because you got some sleep.
Yeah, all 8 hours. You guys
Dude,
are screwed.
That's like the recommended amount.
You guys are screwed.
Practice this morning.
Can anyone guess the ratio? The ratio of the pattern? That was a really good shot of your freaking name shirt. Let's double check. This is Ryan Barnes, everybody. Ryan Barnes.
Kris. Give it to him. Yeah, baby. Come on.
We meet again.
Round number 2.
And I whooped you the first time.
You did.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do that this time. It'll be a little closer.
We'll see. I am throwing a urethane ball, so anything's possible.
Anything's possible! Seriously?
Only for you.
Seriously? Guys, Kris was mad at me. He's whooping me. Alright, we're tied 1-1.
I know. Honestly,
You whooped me, I whooped you.
Yeah.
We're pretty damn even.
It's going to be another good match, I think.
I hope so.
Honestly, I hope we get to bowl each other the next 3 games.
I don't want that at all. I don't want that at all. I was gonna make like a friendly lunch bet here, hoping that we just don't bowl each other anymore.
Until the last game.
Until the last game, and then whatever happens there.
You guys
So-
go that way for a change, and we'll go that way.
No, I want to go that way. Well, 1-1. I'm coming for you this time. I even guttered. I'm 7-10. I did it all last game.
Yeah, you were giving me, my swing was so loose, that's why I had 260.
All right. All good. Bang.
Bang,
Bang.
on that thing.
Woo! That's a victory lap for us this last game. We have it locked up.
That's right.
Perry's pumped fourth.
Yeah, Perry's on fourth.
The way the points worked, we're gonna go ahead and have a victory lap. We can't lose, so we're just bowling now. We're just gonna watch everyone else bowl. All right, so going into the last game, Prather's team's in fourth, but they're tied with the third place team, and they're 1.5 back at second. We've locked up the win, so it's a victory lap for us. So Prather's trying to get to second place.
So again, if points are tied, it's total
Swiss
pins
Trios,
for the
they're
tournament.
announcing
All right, buddy,
it.
thank you.
We got free bags.
Today
Today for us was the complete opposite. We got screwed. We
Devin,
bowled
Dan,
better and got
Daniel,
screwed.
and Nathan,
But
sixth place.
yeah, it's a fun tournament. I'll always support this,
Well,
no matter
Oh,
what.
it's so fun.
Even-
It's a Chiefs game. We don't care about the Chiefs.
Real game on. The Vikings are on later on.
Chiefs game's
But
on.
when they're like this hard, I don't even care because this tournament's fun. It was annoying, but it is what it is.
Tournament's a blast.
You just come and show up for the fun.
Okay, all right.
Feeling better today though. I'm alive.
He's alive.
Fifth place, 23.
You won. Good job.
Thanks.
Brendan, Dallas,
Good
and
job.
Chaz. Go. Thanks, bud. And first place with 48.5 points, Evan, Michael, and AJ, 4350. Congratulations, guys.
All right, weekend comes to an end for us. Me, Michael, and AJ came away with the win, so that's awesome. Just such a fun weekend overall, as usual. Just fun to see a lot of people having a good time and things like that. So it's a different format, it's a fun format, a lot of bowling. It was fun to get a win and be in the winner's circle. So thank you to everyone at North Rock Lanes in Wichita, Kansas, Brent Bowers, Matt McFadden, the whole crew that puts this together. They do an amazing job. They're a bunch of great people. Yeah, we can't wait to come back next year and do it again.